Hey Slayers, Owen Oslaywe here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we have this very sultry summer sunset, quarantine from your window vibes. Oh my goodness, but you know, happier days. We had quarantine blues last week. Today we're bringing you happier days. I hope you guys really are liking this look. Don't forget, please give this video a thumbs up and also share it with 1 to 5 people who you think will have an interest for this content. Lastly, subscribe to this channel and click on that notification bell so that you get a notification each time that I upload a brand new video to my YouTube channel. If you guys are really enjoying this look, stick around for right after this and we're gonna get right into how to achieve it. Cue the intro. Alright, so I did my brows and foundation off camera, so let's jump right into this look. First thing that we're going to do is prime our eyelids. I'm going to be using my Curity Pre-Shadow Eyelid Primer like we have been for the last couple of videos. I'm really obsessed with this product. It really works and it really gives me that silky canvas that I need and deserve when I'm trying to create my looks. And then I'm going to blend that in with my Beauty Blender. What I'm going to do next is actually take some of concealer, and today I'm using the e.l.f. Complete Coverage Concealer Palette. I'm going to dip into this shade right here and I'm going to use that. It's the same shade that I used when I did my brows, and I'm just going to put some on my eyelids right before I blend it in and set it in with some setting powder. For setting powder today, I'm using my Ben Nye setting powder. Again, this is the colorless and colorless translucent loose setting powder. Yeah, I love it. I'm pouring a little bit in the cap and then I just put the tip of my Beauty Blender in there and I just set it. Okay, so now we're gonna get started on the actual look. For eyes, the first thing we're going to do is actually lay down a base. So to do that today, I'm going to be using my 35OM Morphe eyeshadow palette. And I'm going to be using my... And I'm going to be using my Morphe Loose Blending Brush. To lay down the base, I'm going to dip into this brown color right here. Starting from the eyelid first and then just blending it upwards to really diffuse the color. After doing that, I'm actually gonna dip into these two colors right here. I'm gonna mix them together, these like orange red tones, and then I'm gonna use that to blend more above that region of my eye that's slightly above my eye crease, which is really gonna help tie together the whole look once we get to that creative cloudy moment on our cheeks. I don't know why I'm talking so slow. So next I'm gonna go into my Anastasia Beverly Hills Subculture palette and I'm gonna dip into this like iridescent, like it's almost like a 3D eyeshadow for me. I don't know why, because it looks white, but watch when I put it on. So I'm gonna dip right into that color right there, and then it's so beautiful. It has like this lavender tone to it, so you see that. Ooh, are you getting in? Oh wow. Now taking my Fenty Beauty Matchstick in shade Blonde, now I'm going to take it and I'm bringing it out a little bit so I can work with it more on the side. I'm going to really just kind of place it literally on the lid area from the inner corner and just dragging it back. So we kind of get that kind of moment right there going. Once I've done that, I'm going to go back with that same blending brush and just kind of work that in together. Stunning. So next we're gonna add more depth to this look by smoking out this entire thing. So I'm gonna take my Sephora number 38 Pro Featherweight Crease Brush, and I'm gonna dip into darker browns in this palette. I'm gonna dip into this color right here and this one right here. I'm gonna mix them together, and I'm just gonna push it right there. And then going back in with that same brush, I'm not adding any more product, but rather just using what's on there. I'm blending it together and pulling it backwards. And then I'm gonna add a little bit more. We definitely wanna make sure that we can see what's going on back here, what's really going on.
What's really going on?
Okay, so we're done with our eyes now that we have this winged moment. We're gonna go ahead and do our under eye concealer now. Today, to do my under eye concealer, like every other day, I'm using my MAC Studio Finish Concealer with my 195 MAC Concealer brush.
As soon as I find them.
Now, I'm blind as a bat when I'm working on this, and I be having to look extra hard. Okay, concealer located, brush located.
Let's go.
I'm gonna go in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and Tan Sand, and I'm gonna pop this just right in this nose crease area. And as this is setting, I'm gonna start doing my contour off camera. If you guys want a more detailed instructional video on how I do my contour, that video will be linked in the description box down below. Okay, so we are blended, concealed, contoured, and cut to filth. Let's move right along. So what I'm gonna do next is actually put some color in my waterline. To do that, I'm actually gonna use a brown and orange. So I'm gonna dip into this orange shade that I have from my Zulu palette, and then this brown shade from my Morphe 39A palette. Using my small blending brush from the Morphe Holiday Eye Slay collection, let's begin. Love it. Let me put my lash on. For lashes today, I'm going to be using my Lily Lashes Miami So Extra. Let's get them on. Okay. So we're moving on. Oh! Somebody! Oh! On to the creative cloud part area. So to do that, I'm gonna be using this palette right here and my Fenty Beauty Blonde Matchstick. So the first thing I'm gonna do is dip into this pink color right here, the orange and the yellow, to create the hue for the sunset. I'm also going to take a little bit of that cute color from the Subculture palette to give this more iridescence, because the matchstick is not doing enough for me. There we go. Do you see this? Now that we've done that, the next thing we're going to do is go in with our Makeup Forever Flash palette. To create the clouds on my face, I'm going to be using the Morphe R42 concealer brush, and then I'm going to scoop some of this white out. I'm gonna go in with my Morphe eyeliner tool from the same holiday collection, and I'm gonna just poke into the white and create stars. Now that we're done with this side, I'm gonna recreate it quickly on the other side of camera, and we'll be right back. Let's move on to lips. So for lips today, I'll be tainting them with an Anastasia lipstick first, and then I'm gonna put a gloss over. The lipstick I'm going to be using is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dusty Rose Liquid Lipstick. I'm just going to take some and pop some right in the center of my bottom lip and then rub it together. Next, I'm going to go in with this Biotherm Glossy Shine, and I'm just going to put it literally all over my lips like a regular gloss. Literally almost forgot to dust off the lower half of my face. So let me quickly do that right now. To highlight, I'm going to be using my Artist Couture Sugar Daddy highlighter. And to highlight, I'm going to be using my Morphe M441 brush. Okay, now we're done. This is the final look. I really hope that you guys enjoy it. Really, you know what? It's giving the peel.
The peel.
Because I know I look like my eyes have been watering like crazy. Oh my gosh. How do I look? Let me see. Ooh, girl. Let me wrap this up. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video today. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up in the section below, as well as share with anywhere from 1 to 5 people who you think will have an interest for this content, whether that be makeup, skincare, vlogging, etc. You know, all with respect to makeup to some degree. Let them know, share with them, bring them over to join the Slayer family. Lastly, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and click on that notification bell so that you get a notification each time that I upload a brand new video to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, I'll see you in the next one, Slayers. And remember, until then, slay always and slay always. Bye, guys.